Do you want to know how you can create a Threads account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Threads account. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Now you can see switch profiles. Click on it and click login with another Instagram account. Go ahead and write down your username, your email address, your phone number, and write down your password. Then click login and you can register yourself and you can create a Threads account quite easily. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Click switch profiles and then click login with another Instagram account. Go ahead and write down your desired username, email address, phone number, and then write down your password and then click login. This way you can register for Threads. I hope this video about how you can create Threads account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.